Now all these introduced species have had a huge impact on our native species. Not just the birds, but right through the native biodiversity, right through the whole structure, from the birds right down into the insects at subsoil levels. So we've got only about 10% of our native forests left. Most of the land has been cleared. So yeah, they've been working tirelessly to try and control these predators. The sheep and cattle station, they usually lamb and calve at the same time, in October, November. The sheep are normally on farm till about March, and the cattle usually on farm for 2 years to work the land here. Right, that's enough for me for now. I'll get back to you as we get further into Park. This is our this is our largest paramount chief of the Ngāti Te Whare, which was one of the main local tribes in and around Lake Taupo, the central North Island there. Taupo Nui Atia. Come on. Just as you're looking down the valley left, looking down the valley there. So this valley was this glacier skewered around the corner to the Mount Crosscut. Right base of Mount Crosscut is the Marion, Lake Marion, and that's formed by that very large landslide. There's it's quite amazing actually. It's very low just now. I wouldn't bother. But 60 miles back to Te Anau from that point of view, point there. Now the biggest challenge when we do get some snow, there's not a lot of snow up there to be fair, but when we're quite high in the mountains there, we ridge over from the avalanches. That very cool. And this is the original tunnel entrance here. So the original tunnel was 6 feet wide, 8 feet high. Took them 6 months to dig to bedrock. Then through here, they started drilling and blasting. And then it took a good 10 years to actually get this hole all the way through. So the tunnel is 1,260 metres long, has a greater than 1 in 10. And it's, we just drove into the tunnel at just a little under 1,000 metres, and we're just quietly descending down through the valley, through the tunnel here. When I first started coming through here in 2002, there was no lights in here at all. So if you turn your headlights off, it's just completely pitch black, dark. Over time, they've added the centre lights in. They put the lights on the side and little lights to the left-hand side. When I first started coming through here, you could actually look down and see if there's any vehicles coming up. And if there is, has the lights going. And if there was, I would stop at the top of the tunnel and let the hazard lights come through. Reasonably easy to pass a car in the middle here, but it's pretty difficult. Sometimes you have to make them back up. I don't back up, I can't back the lot of me. It's just my excuse. We're going to have a stop on the other side. Have a wee stop on the other side here. Wow, look at this. Wow, you can say that again. 28, sorry about it. Oh, Kia! 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 There's only one, what?
Dito maganda.
So as they sail around, you can way back in, they discovered all the beautiful parts of Australia. And they come across some very similar looking things right up the very top of the South Island. They named things the Milford Town. Now, quite by mistake, they got the name of the Milford Town correct. They are from the Carr Valley.
Oh, smile.
Video. Video nga eh.
Ha?
Video.
Video?
Oo.
Okay.
Tananan.
Oh, puro effect.
Oh.
Puro kay mama.
Video yan na may samang picture. Diden, tingin ka dito. Nak, tingin ka dito. Napaka-shy type mo naman. Ha? Saya ba? Sarap ba? Sarap. Happy. Hindi. Hindi ko din alam. Hindi maipaliwanag. Nilalamig na sila. Ayun o, ano sa way.
Ayun
Ayun
na!
na!
Dito nakuha mo?
Oo, syempre. Andun siya oh.
Dito nakuha